everyone, welcome to the Mama Elephant June release. This is Rena. Remember to leave a comment on these release videos for a chance to enter a drawing to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release will be available on June 15th. Today we are featuring an all sentiment stamp set, Mix Bday Wishes. I really like this style of sentiments. It's a mix of printing and also handwriting, so I really love that. I believe this is in Chrissy's handwriting, one of the owners of Mama Elephant. So I'm going to go ahead and read all the sentiments. Birthday wishes and cupcake kisses. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, birthday to you. Smile, it's your day. Happy birthday, wish I could be there to celebrate with you. Happy birthday. Sending the biggest birthday hugs from miles away. And how old are you? How old are you now? How old are you now? Ow, how old are you now? Wishing you loads of happiness and so much more. That's my favorite sentiment. The next one is to one of my favorite people in the whole wide world, and wishing you a birthday as sweet as you. Sorry, I got a little tongue-tied there. I thought I would use the new Creative Cut set, Oh Hi Loopy. And I've cut it out a couple times in different colors, so I thought I'd use like an ivory colored background. And I'm going to use the frame in a peach color and a pink color. And then I'm going to use the cream colored swirly loopy piece, just so it looks like a little bit of texture around the frame. It looks so good in person. I didn't want to use a third color, that's why I used ivory again. So we're going to take the sentiments, since we're featuring them today. I'm going to stamp it out in Distress Oxide ink. I think I went a little crazy with the ink. I think I over inked the stamp set, so it got a little crazy, but I just left it. This particular sentiment is wishing you loads of happiness and so much more. I thought I would use that. I like coordinating the color of the font or sentiment with the colored images. So the next card will be a landscape. The first one was portrait, and this sentiment here, I believe I used happy birthday, wish I could be there to celebrate with you. So I think the stamping looks better with Distress Oxide inks when you do like a light coating and then stamp it several times instead of doing a heavy coating the first time. I'm going to be putting together the card front. I have the ivory piece in the back, and then I'm just layering on the die cut pieces. I like using the same color background as the swirly frame. It just looks so unique and it looks so nice in person. Like the texture that it gives it, I just really like the way it looks. So I'm going to do the same for the other card. I'm going to put together the background pieces, and I'm using cream for both the background piece and the loopy part of the die. And I always like using these like pinks and oranges. I'm not sure why I love those colors so much. I just do. It's hard not to use it because, and in real life, I'm obsessed with mango. I love mangoes too, and peaches. So I think that's why I use these colors all the time. So I thought I would use the images from Hey Pumpkin. I think it's so cute. I don't know what it is about critters and pumpkins together. I love it. I mean, in real life, I'm not obsessed with the whole pumpkin spice thing unless it's like a muffin. So I'm not sure why I like it in stamped images, but it's so fun to see the pairing of critters and pumpkins together. So for the landscape card, I used the little agenda house again, and this is literally my favorite little agenda set. I love coloring these houses. I colored the fruit house like an apple, but it looks like a tomato right now, but I'm not mad at it. I love these bushes. I used all of them because I love them and I'll be using them forever. So I wanted to pair a critter agenda set with the little agenda house just so you could see the sizing and how a little agenda critter looks next to the little agenda house, and I think it's perfect. I love it. I use the pandas. It's an older little agenda set, but the beauty of the little panda agenda is that you don't have to color it too much. I will be mounting these card fronts into card bases off camera, and here's a look at the completed cards. So fun. I really enjoyed working with this release. I loved all the fall things, and I'm just obsessed with little agenda house. I love it so much. It's so fun to work with. So just a reminder, June is the last release, and then Mama Elephant next release will be in September for their big anniversary release, and I cannot wait. And that is a wrap for me. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.